Question 11. How many member countries does OPEC have after the UAE's exit as of May 2026? Correct answer, B. 11. Explanation. After the UAE left on May 1st, 2026, OPEC was left with 11 member countries. Question 12. Which country left OPEC effective May 1st, 2026? Correct answer, B. United Arab Emirates. Explanation. The United Arab Emirates withdrew from OPEC on May 1st, 2026. Question 13. The UAE had been a member of OPEC since which year? Correct answer, B. 1967. Explanation. The UAE joined OPEC in 1967 and remained a member for 59 years. Question 14. Which country joined OPEC in 2017? Correct answer, B. Equatorial Guinea. Explanation. Equatorial Guinea became a member of OPEC in 2017. Question 15. Which country joined OPEC in 2018? Correct answer, B. Congo. Explanation. The Republic of the Congo joined OPEC in 2018. Question 16. Angola left OPEC in which year? Correct answer, B. 2024. Explanation. Angola withdrew its membership effective January 1st, 2024. Question 17. Which of the following is not a current OPEC member after May 2026? Correct answer, B. Angola. Explanation. Angola is no longer a member after leaving in 2024. Question 18. Which African country is still an active OPEC member in 2026? Correct answer, B. Gabon. Explanation. Gabon remains one of the 11 active members. Angola, Qatar, and Indonesia have left. Question 19. What is the main objective of OPEC? Correct answer, B. To coordinate petroleum policies for stable oil prices and supply. Explanation. OPEC aims to coordinate petroleum policies among its members to ensure stable oil prices and a regular supply. Question 20. OPEC is described as what type of organization? Correct answer, B. Permanent Intergovernmental Organization. Explanation. OPEC is a permanent intergovernmental organization created to manage petroleum policies. Question 21. Which country is missing from the current 11 OPEC members list? Correct answer, B. UAE. Explanation. The UAE left OPEC on May 1st, 2026. Libya, Iran, and Iraq remain active members. Question 22. Libya is part of which current status in OPEC? Correct answer, B. Active member in 2026. Explanation. Libya continues to be one of the 11 active OPEC members in 2026, joined in 1962. Question 23. How many founding members of OPEC are still members in 2026? Correct answer, D. 5. Explanation. All 5 original founding members, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and Venezuela, are still active members. Question 24. Which of these countries joined OPEC latest among the current members? Correct answer, B. Congo. Explanation. Congo joined in 2018, making it the most recent addition among the current 11 members. Question 25. What significant change occurred in OPEC in April-May 2026? Correct answer, B. UAE announced and completed its exit. Explanation. The UAE's exit was the major structural change in 2026, reducing membership to 11. Question 26. OPEC headquarters is in which country? Correct answer, B. Austria. Explanation. OPEC has been headquartered in Vienna, Austria, since 1965. Question 27. Which of the following left OPEC before the UAE? Correct answer, B. Angola. Explanation. Angola left in January 2024, whereas the UAE left in May 2026. Question 28. As per the records for May 2026, OPEC has how many members? Correct answer, A. 11. Explanation. Following the UAE's exit on May 1st, the membership count is 11. Question 29. Which country is a leading member in terms of production within OPEC? Correct answer, B. Saudi Arabia. Explanation. Saudi Arabia is the largest producer and a key leader within OPEC. Question 30. What was one major impact of the UAE leaving OPEC? Correct answer, B. Reduction to 11 members. Explanation. The exit reduced the organization's member count to 11. Support our channel. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up like this video. Bell subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting and informative content just like this. Thank you for watching.